Welcome to Strömberg Park. It is a park in Pitäjänmäki in Helsinki, and it is one of the most beautiful parks I have ever visited. This park is home to this beautiful waterfall and creek where a stream runs through the park, and there are plenty of different kinds of flowers and plants and lots of areas where you can enjoy and take in this beauty. It is the perfect place to go if you want to have a peaceful picnic or just go on a walk with your dog or family and friends. This park is also home to lots of different plants like crabapple, bird cherries, hawthorns, oaks, and also different types of flowers like hydrangea. There are plenty of rocks and stones on either side of the stream, and you can hop on from one side to another and just explore the area. Just listen to the sounds of nature. Isn't it beautiful? By carefully climbing up onto the top of the waterfall, you can get a beautiful view of the entire park.